Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I'm going to play with paint and inkt. And what I do is, what I did is was just take a white piece of paper and put some nice inkt on it. I have some nice patterns, and you can take everything you want to. And I will cover that up with paint. And you can. It's very easy. It's just playing around, and as you know, I love to play around with things like this. And I'm a really very bad painter, but in this way I can still play with paint. And I have some lovely colors in a small box, and I use just some colors that I like at this moment. Of course, I like, and it's not difficult. You can do it as well. I'm what I said. I won't say I'm a bad painter. I'm extremely bad painter. I can very well paint the windows, things like that. That's no problem. But I can't make something nice on paper. But in this case, it's very nice and very easy to play with the paint. What I do now is just a drop of water so that it's getting a bit thinner. And if it's going to mix up with the color next to it, that's no problem. And just color it up, and you will get a lovely sheet in the colors you like. And the inked, the pattern below is shining through, and you can just mix everything a bit up. That's all possible, and you can't do wrong, and that's the nice thing of it. And in this way I'm able to paint as well, just to play with the colors and to use that kind of material. It's like singing. I can't sing either, but sometimes it's lovely to sing in the shower or something like that when you're alone at home. Then you can't do wrong. And the paper, well, it's still wet, of course. The paper, you can use it like this way, or you can cover it up with some other things. I will do a book page as well in the same kind of colors. And a book paper is this was an old book, so that the paper is already a little bit yellow. But that's very nice to do as well. And you can, if you want to, you can stamp under it as well. And it's just a nice feeling and a nice touch that you can create your own design on the paper in the colors you want to for a project or something in a bullet journal or something like that. Well, now it's dry, and I can use them just like this. And I love the colors. I forgot a little spot over here, but that's okay. And I can use them already, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stamp on top as well for another effect. And I use Stazon inkt. You have to check if your ink is able to be on on painted paper, because not every ink will shine or will stick. So that's might be a thing. But this ink works perfectly. And I use the colors brown and purple. And then I'm always thinking where I'm going to use the paper for. Most times I tear them in pieces and use them in a bullet journal. And this one I will use as well with some butterflies. And if you like this video, like this idea, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to hear from you soon, and see you next time. Bye bye!